Lists and groups help us organize our reminders. Below the Smart Lists section in the sidebar, we have My Lists. This is where we can add our own lists, which can be one of three list types: Standard, Groceries, or Smart. We can add new lists from the Add List button up here, or use the shortcut Shift-Command-N. I'm going to name this one Travel. From this menu, we can choose the list type. I'll leave this as a standard list, which essentially means reminders need to be added to the list manually. We can also assign a custom color and icon to the list. Next, let's rename the My Reminders list. To do so, right-click on the list and choose Rename. Let's rename this to Home. We can click and drag to move reminders from one list into another. I'll move the Vacation Prep reminder, along with its subtasks, into the Travel list. Let's add a couple of other reminders to this list as well. Next, let's add a new list called Groceries and set it to the Groceries list type. What this will do now is automatically organize the items in this list into the typical sections of a supermarket, such as produce, meat, and dairy. As items are added, they are placed into those sections. Then, while at the store, just check off the items. Next, we can create a Smart List. With a Smart List, we are able to select from a variety of filters to only see certain reminders. So let's make a Smart List that includes flagged reminders. And then from the Date filter, select Relative Range and In the Next Week. I'll just call this one Important Items. Now, if a reminder is flagged and due in the next week, it will automatically appear in this Smart List. It's also possible to organize multiple lists into groups. To create a group, go up to the File menu and New Group, then give it a name. Basically, that gives us a collapsible folder that we can add lists into. Right-click on a group, and if we choose to delete it, we can uncheck this box to delete the lists within it and all their reminders as well. Next up, we will look at how to make sections within a reminders list and view those as columns.